Apa be? 1, 2, 3. Ingatan mo siya. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang pagmamahal. Na kahit tagal ko rin binubuo. Na kahit tagal ko rin hindi sinuko.
What's up mga Hisaraan, mga Chuy, mga Chay? Welcome back to Hisaraan ko sa YouTube channel. Well, hapit ng December. Guess what today, guys? Ato may sa event karon guys sa Sagbayan, Municipality of Sagbayan, since na sila ay Christmas contest dito. Ba na akong family guys, kay mo tanami sa kuan sa Christmas lighting, Christmas tree. Christmas tree lighting guys. So, add to me. So, tara, ubani ko ninyo guys. It's been a while nga, wa na ko ka-vlog guys, no? Bago na ako ang buhok. Hairstyle guys. Mura ni siya si Kuan Sanderford. So, tara, enjoy!
Municipality of Sagbayan. Una kini. The first time in history that we officially launched and opened Pasko sa Sagbayan 2019 through the switch-on ceremony initiated by LGU officials headed by Honorable Junjun Suarez, our municipal mayor. Christmas soon. The bells will start and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. There is no name too sweet on earth, no name too sweet in heaven. Name before his wondrous birth, to Christ the Savior is given. It is Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. I would like to welcome you all. Mayong Pasko and good evening everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, the historical background and the biblical implications that will give the answer why.
Belen is another traditional Filipino Christian symbol representing the nativity scenario. It depicts the infant Jesus Christ in the manger, surrounded by the Virgin Mary, Saint Joseph, the shepherds, their flock, the Magi or the three kings of the Orient, and some stable animals and angels. In the Christian tradition, a nativity scene, also known as a manger, particularly during the Christmas season, is an art object representing the birth of Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen, the event tonight is an event that will form and imprinted in the annals of history of Sagbayan that can never be forgotten.
Good evening, everyone. Foremost of this event, allow me to commend my profound, heartfelt, and sincere thanks and felicitations to those who, in one way or another, helped and assisted me to make this event a success. Sa ato mga barangay captains, PNP, BFP, o LGU families na bila sa atong engineering department. Bisag, mga langayon pero nahuman yun yung taon. Sa akong mga kauban, sa papangalagad, ang atong vice mayor o mga konsihalis, nga di akaroon, o atong ibisi, o atong iski, karinyong tanan. Again, thank you so much. At the moment, we can see but darkness, we can hear but silence. Yet, we feel the joy because of the presence of our loved ones and our friends. But for as long as we can hold on and see a guiding light, everything will just be alright. Ladies and gentlemen, by virtue of the confidence, love, loyalty, faith you have entrusted in me to serve you unconditionally as the mayor of Sagbayan, I hereby declare the 2019 Switch on Sagbayan Hall open. Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Christmas tree guys, kay nindot kailan event, so nag-open ang event diri sa Sagbayan, so ato to sa mga Christmas tree, tara. Kanya na dito sa Christmas tree guys, kay mao to yung main event guys, so ari sa ta sa Zumba.
At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our very close friend, the owner and proprietor of Sabayan Peak, Sir Alan Tolifranca. A warm applause for Sir Alan and his wife, of course.
Maabot sa ta guys, yung dugay kaya lang kuan, gubaon ng CD guys. Maabot sa dito.
Ready? Once again, the Zumba dancers of Sabayan.
Tara.
Mga mayang musayaw o mga gwapa po nag-upan.
Ano ba? Gusto natin.
Rolando with the solo. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Taugas ng Lina. Maudiay. Gold medalist, lawn tennis champion, Bayani Dotra Jr. with the coach, Bayani Dotra Senior.
Wow! Gold medalist guys. Alright.
We request the officials to please have the victorians. Arrange yourself according to the size of your body. Batanon, mga guwapo. Congratulations! Next, we have the silver medalist cycling competition. May I call on Roy Saniel with the coach, former Kagawa John Suquillo. A warm of applause. Next in the line, ladies and gentlemen, still a silver medalist, Sipak Takraw, Junior Division. May I call on the group for Sipak Takraw with the official coach, Sir Laidin Tagalog. Please come forward. Arnes silver medalist, I would like to welcome Mr. Roquel John Devino with the coach, Arnel Ibanez, bronze medalist.
Mga athlete din sila guys na nakatawag sa Olympics.
Congratulations.
Sa bayanan guys, alright. May makabot sila sa SEA Games guys. Tomorrow din sa SEA Games sa Pining. Support athlete guys sa Pilipinas. Go for gold, win as one. We win as one, right?
I request the group to please come forward with the official very beautiful coach, Ma'am Ami Palermo. Basta player o volleyball kasagaran 6 o mga guwapa. Another bronze medalist, U12 football with the official coach, Kevin Kiao. Congratulations, young players. Hope Sunday and see you in the Palarong Pambansa or in the Olympics. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, it is my great honor and privilege to give you another song number, still from the Mayor's office staff, no less than Miss Colin Digal. A warm of applause with a song entitled Hello, it is me you're looking for.
It's me. I was wondering if after all these years I'd like to from the other side. I must have gone a thousand times to tell you I was sorry for the thing that I've done. When I call you, turn from the beacon.
Daisy, and it was caught and seemed so alive. It's you
ni.
Sabi nila parang araw darating ang iyong panginginig. Anong dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikuling. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kung sakaling man ika'y mawawala. Sing with me, guys! At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin, di ka sasaktan. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Hindi nakakalaw, nahihirapan ang puso, pinipilit na ikaw. Ngunit tayo sa huli, awatin ang sarili, ibig pang muli. Tayo sa huli,
Aawatin ba ang puso ko, ibigin ka?
Nahimakin yun.
Sa mga nagsakit na putyana?
Kaya siya, Christmas na Christmas kaya kawalan ko. Sa masukok ko ha. Parinig ninyo. Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin na pinamahal ko. Sabi niyo, mag-isabi na lang na huwag na magala at tumilang. Ingatan mo siya. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kahit tagal ko rin binubuo. Na kahit tagal ko rin hindi sinuko. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. So thank you so much. That was Binaliwala by Michael Bucci Libran. So sa kita kandahan.
Kasi gumawi ka.
Hindi kita ba? Hindi
Hindi ka masako.
Ato ta sa Christmas tree, guys. Nanatag kinsa pinakanindot og Christmas tree, guys. Ato ta dito. Tara, let's go.